Good day everyone. I got this split second AC for my client. A very clean and affordable AC. I also got what is going to be needed. For instance, that's the remote for the AC and the coolant hanger. The one at the top is the coolant, while the one under is the compressor. Why this one is the pipe. We normally call it the hose and its tools. That's it. So I'm packaging it well. And why this is the compressor hanger. And if you also notice, I package the AC in such a way that dust can't enter it. So during the installation, the nylon will be removed. Thank you.